Hello, beautiful angels. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and welcome here if you're new. Thank you so much for coming and joining the J Glow family. So my channel is about beauty, lifestyle, and do-it-yourselves. I'm here to give you my honest opinion, honest reviews, everything that's worked for me, I'm sharing with all of you. So welcome. So I'm going to start off my, video with obviously my message, which is that you're beautiful. Don't wait for anybody to tell you that. Always wake up in the morning and tell yourself in the mirror that you are beautiful, because beauty comes from within, right? If you feel beautiful, then you're going to look beautiful. It doesn't matter what size, shape, color, whatever you are just beautiful. And it just comes out and you'll start glowing and people will start noticing you. And it doesn't really matter if anybody doesn't notice you. You got to feel good about yourself. So that's what my channel is about. Positive energy, positive vibes, and helping everyone feel beautiful. All right, so today's video though is about this 3-step eyeshadow dab and brush method that is supposed to be quick and effortless. So I apologize for the uneven eyes. The left eye is actually done. And I'm going to show you guys how I did it on the right eye because I had to try it out. And I saw this on TikTok, this Viral TikTok dab and 3-step blend brush technique. So, I had to show you guys and try it out for myself at work. So I'm going to show you out and let me know in the comments below whether you tried it out or if you have already and what you think. And I hope it really works for you because it actually, did work for me. So the palette that I'm going to use is, it's in my Instagram stories as well. I've posted it. It's the Morphe palette here. And it's called Eyeshadow Palette Morphe, this one right here. If I open it up, you'll see it's fall inspired. All fall colors there. Beautiful, beautiful fall colors. So I'm going to be using the 3-step method. Says to start off with the lightest shade, and then a medium shade, and then a darker shade. And then the whole point to this is the dabbing method. So you're going to dab everything, and it just gives you that finished look within like minutes. So I don't know about you, but that's amazing. And I absolutely love it because sometimes you're just in a rush and you have an event or something that's going on. I know my husband springs on me last minute, like, okay, we need to go here, or it's somebody's party or this, that, what have you. I'm like, what? Oh my God, I don't have enough time. So I love tips and tricks like this. And I love to show other people because if it works, it's like the bomb, right? It's just amazing. Saves us time, saves you time, and you're ready and you look glamorous, right? That's the most important thing. So we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna zoom up. Again, my left eye is done. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have used the colors there on my left eye. I'm gonna zoom up there if you guys can see. So I'm gonna zoom in on my right eye. There's nothing there. You always need a good primer. So the eyeshadow primer that I used is from NYX. It's right here. And it's a Studio Photogenic eyeshadow base primer that I use to help set the eyeshadow, okay? This is really, really good. So make sure that you're well hydrated on your eyes, you've done your skincare routine, and then use that primer to help the eyeshadow, sit in place. All right, guys, I will be zooming in here. So I'm gonna zoom in my right eye. Okay, so it is zoomed in now, so I can show you and give you the little tutorial of this 3-step dab and blend method. All right, so I'm going to take the eyeshadow palette here, and I'm going to show you guys because it is zoomed up. So it's called, double check here, it's called Pure on the palette. So it's the lightest shade right here, okay? So I hope you guys can see that color right here. It's called Pure. I'm going to take that on my ring finger and take it generously. And then I'm going to swipe it. So you want to take it 3/4 of the way in, okay? You want to swipe. So we're going to swipe. There we go. Look how beautiful these eyeshadows pack on as well. You could always clean up a little bit underneath whatever it does get on there. So that's this first swipe, all right? That was the lightest shade. Now we're going to go in with the medium shade, okay? So the medium shade I'm going to use is called, let me grab that stencil here, and it is called ORB in the Morphe palette, okay? The medium shade I'm going to use, sorry, I was just blowing some eyeshadow there, is going to be this one right here. That's what the color looks like, okay? So right here. So I'm going to again use the same ring finger, and I'm going to take it generously, and we're going to swipe, and then we're going to dab all this at the end. Trust me, it actually works. Like I said, I did it on my left eye, and I'm so happy with this quick method, effortless. Okay, so I'm going to swipe it right next to it, and there we go. Sorry, I don't know who else makes these kind of faces when you're putting eyeshadow. Let me know in the comments below if you do. All right, again, a little bit of fallout there, but there we go. This is the second shade, right? Medium, okay? So, and then the third shade we're gonna go for is a darker shade. So right next to it again, it is called Tan, and it's this one right here, this tan color shade. You guys can see right there. All right, and you can use any 3 shades you want. You could go into, like, this palette has wonderful wine colors, goldy colors, red we got in there, so rusty colors, so whatever color you want. So again, I'm gonna take, but it's 3 steps, right, for a quick makeup eyeshadow look. All right, we're gonna take a swipe of this as well on the outer corner. Gonna make that funny face again and swipe it on the outer corner. There we have it. 3 steps. That's it. Okay, now we're gonna blend, and dab. Sorry, dab. I'm gonna use my Vanity Planet medium blender brush right here, and we're gonna start dabbing. And now you want to start in the inner corner, okay? You're gonna start in those 2 shades. You want to blend and you want to dab them. Sorry, I keep saying blending. So used to blending. This is all about the dab technique, and you want them to get all nice and merry, okay? All nice and merry together. Dab. There we go. We're just dabbing all these 2 colors so they blend nicely. All right. Does take a little bit of time, but you know what? They start coming together, and there we have it. The first 2 colors are blended nicely. Now we're going to go to the outer 2 shades and make sure we're blending those. So again, dab. Take it out to the corner, dab. Make sure they're blended really nicely, and just lift it up on the outer corner there. So dab. All right, there we have it. Everything is all nicely blended by 3 swipes and a dab. Tell me, is that not easy and effortless? I love this quick method, and I had to share with all of you. So let me know below, give me a thumbs up, comment, share with others, and hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think, okay? So then we're gonna take in the inner corner that same sparkly color that I used. It was called Pure. So I'm gonna take some, just take off the excess, and in the corner, we wanna highlight the corner as well, right, to brighten up the eyes. So we're gonna brighten up the eyes in the corner. There you have it. And whatever's left over, I'm going to use underneath my brow bone to highlight as well. Okay? And that's it. There we have it. Swipe and dab. Effortless. Okay, what I did as well is on my left eye, I did a little bit of a slight shadow wing. I used my brush from the Vanity Planet angled precision brush. That's what it looks like right here, if you guys can see it, nicely angled. And I just did a little wing on the end to lift up the eye as well. I went in with the dark color, not black, but like a medium muddy color it's called. So it's this one right here. All right. You guys can see that there. Muddy it's called. And I went in with that. You don't have to do that. You could go with a solid like liquid liner, you know, and do the cat eye wing if you wanted, whatever you want. But I'm just going for the softer look here, you know, more natural. So I took that in on the angled brush, again, just tapping the excess. And then right on the corner, all you want to do is take that angle right at the end and stick it where you want the angle to happen and swipe it to give you that nice little soft wing. Tell me this was not easy to do. Please mention in the comments if you guys like this. How quick was that? Like, bam, that's it. Put on your fancy clothes or whatever your party clothes, and you're out the door on those days of when you need to be quick. All right, so there is the finished look. And I'm gonna zoom back again here so you guys can see the whole face. All right, so here is the finished look. I just zoomed back out so you can see the full look here. Both eyes are done now. So how easy was that? That was effortless, right? I absolutely love this, video that I saw in this dab method, this three-step process. I hope it really works for you. Comment below, let me know. And hit the thumbs up, share with others, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification so you can be notified of my next video. Thank you so much for all your support and love. Have an amazing day, guys. Take care. Bye.